Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Apps and Notifications. Following that, click on Notifications Management and click on one of your apps from which you want to block them, like for example Twitter. Now just click on the blue switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off. So when I do that, as you can see, all notifications from Twitter app are now disabled. But you can always enable them by choosing the same Now Gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!